The I Dream of Hygiene kit was created by a hygienist for hygienists. Hundreds of hygienists from around the world voted for these specific instruments. The kit includes a top-quality cotton plier, large, light mirror handle. How many of you still have those old octagon handles that never die but kill your hand? This lightweight mirror handle accepts all cone socket mirror heads and includes a mobility probe. A shepherd's hook for the dentist exam combined with a probe 12 with probe markings which will not wear off. Explore 1112 resonates the tooth surface into your fingertips. We all know Montana Jack, the #1 scaler design in the world. Jack adapts everywhere and is the instrument you can't live without. Everyone loves how well it holds its edge. This is due to our US steel and our secret recipe for creating a harder steel. This means all your PDT instruments will hold their edge longer and can be resharpened. Look at these grain structures. Due to our special cryogenics, all our instruments are much stronger. No breakage. Jack Be Nimble Slim is Montana Jack's little brother. Great for the interiors. He sneaks around brackets and those lovely lingual bars. Tried and true Barnhart 5.6 universal. If you use a Columbia 1314, you will love the extra reach of the Barnhart 5.6. Layer 3-4 is a universal with the same bend as the Gracie 1314. However, the universal blade allows access to both mesial and distal, and PDT's continuous curve on the blade gives you greater adaptation with comfort for you and your patient. The Queen of Hearts is a unique periodontal curette, which allows better access for line angles and blade adaptation in deep pockets where furcations and irregular root surfaces are found. The unique shape and longer blade offers increased access over shorter Gracie and Universal curette blades with less tissue trauma. The Queen of Hearts helps you reach and remove calculus more effectively on mesial depressions of maxillary first bicuspids and the mesial and distal furcations of maxillary molars. Think of your patients that have just 1 or 2 pockets. Instead of breaking out your SRP kit, we have included the Queen of Hearts in the I Dream of Hygiene kit for your efficiency and the comfort of you and your patient. We can't forget this great cassette, US made, all stainless steel with great flow through. Open with ease, flip the lid up and under so the cassette takes up less space and gives your instruments theater seating for easy access. A cotton plier clip maintains the pliers in one space so they don't splay out. A needle recapper to avoid sticks. One extra long instrument position is available if you have an insert, and lift the rack up to double your instrument space. Safety and efficiency throughout.